how to sell digital products in Wix step by step. So if you want to sell digital products on Wix in a step by step process, it is actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, you want to make sure you have set up a Wix website where you have e-commerce selected as a theme, because only when you have an e-commerce website, you will be able to find this option on your Wix dashboard called catalog. Now, in another case, if I have a blogging website right here, I do not have the catalog option because this is not an e-commerce website. So when I created, I just selected the application. Now, if you want to add, you can go to apps, app market and add an e-commerce template manually. But in this case, I will simply skip that process. Once you're inside the website and then you have a digital product that you would like to sell, you have to simply go to catalog and store products and go to the option called products that you can find right here. There are two types of products, physical product or digital product. So to sell a digital product, you can just click on the new product option from the top right hand side. Select this option that says digital file, which could be a PDF file, ebook, printable, or digital album, so whatever else it is. Once you've selected the digital file option, you'll be able to see this type of interface right here, where all you have to do is select what type of digital file do you want to sell. So you can simply upload the file, whether it is an image or your file document or a zip file. Once you've selected that, you can choose a product category and create them. You can add a product name, some of the ribbons that you want, like maybe a tag and a description, add some images and some videos for the reference. You can have some additional info sections and give some of the pricing, cost of goods, and so on. And once then, you can click the save option, and just like that, you'll be able to sell digital products. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.